Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remap the side key plus the volume up key to quickly silence all sound on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Next, go down and tap on mute all sounds. So tap on the left hand side. Then make sure that you tap on the on button at the top here. Tap on the switch to turn it on. Then tap on the mute all sounds shortcut and make sure you turn it on as well. Now you want to select press side and volume up keys. So turn it on. Alright, now whenever you want to quickly silence all the sound, you just press on the side button and the volume up key like this. And then in here, you can choose mute all sounds on, tap on it. And that will allow you to quickly mute all the sound. So you can see here, if I try to turn it on. So I'm just going to press on that, mute all sound on, and I'm going to switch it on. If I switch it on, I cannot activate it. You can see if I try to tap on the speaker, it is still mute. And you can press on it again to switch it off. Now you can see because I have multiple functions assigning to the same shortcut, and that is why I have a menu here. If you do not need some of the options in here, you can switch it off. So for example, if I go into settings, into accessibility, and in hearing enhancements, I can turn off amplify sound shortcut. And now if I press on this one, you can see that one is gone. I can also turn off sound notification shortcuts as well. And now if I just press on the volume on the side key and the volume up key, then that will allow me to quickly turn on or turn off mute all sound. And that's it. So that is how you can remap the volume, the side key and the volume up keys to quickly silence all sounds. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.